Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Eitada. This is Ngobo 20 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 0. My brother, how's it?
Leadership.
How's it?
Sharp winner.
Ufana score Leicester Chiefs lesa.
Let's score as a Chiefs lesa. Wasibona mara. Sibuze kuPirates basazi. Mina wangifaka endabeni zabo ne. Udumi lona, uDumisa. Original from emakhazeni eBelfast. eMpumalanga. Kokuqala ne. Ngisafisela impintshi yami eFavy Chiefs ibirthday yakhe lamuhla ulindo kuhle Nkosi sithi happy birthday mnaka ube mnandi nje yami
mfisela ukuthi awine na Wednesday ibirthday present yakhe
wayimosha
kana ibirthday present yakhe
no yena ufuna celebrate Sundowns mayikora yeah uzoba right
okay asigene
game igame lamuhla ne kulezinye izinto kumele singazikhulumi but makufika lapho kumele sisikhulume khona wena Ngcobo ne funa sisikhulumeni kunamaphasi ashaya ama-player we-Sundowns ne lamaphasi lawo yekho right awu understand ukuthi uLeon uyaphi uSantos uyaphi boMatthews but yabona lamaqolo abashayako
so confuse ama-player
exactly khumbula uShakes Khongwane Roger Futu Skara Ngobesa no siyameshina no ku right makunjalo yabona mara wokugcina le game yonke ne roll over the game 100% mara sicela aba minus amagoli ayi2 sifuna igoli eli1 ne3 point kuphela igoli eli1 ne3 point kuphela
clean sheet.
One more thing asupporteni ichannel kaNgcobo sonke sima football lovers not lento ukuthi sibadifa ngama team but let's support the channel uNgcobo simsupporteni sibe right nyabo sithibo sonke sibe grand ngiyangibamba singasolo ukuthi wona Ngcobo sigijimele ichannel le 1 sonke siya ku SABC 1 yababa SABC 1 akuvela into ezimnandi
baningi abantu
izinto ezimnandi zini mawuphuma stadium la ngaphandle ukhona culmination kubona uyangibamba salute
baba.